Your camera's rolling. All you gotta do is man it when you're ready. So you're following me today.
Okay.
All right, I am officially here.
Play the harmonica.
All right, I can do that.
When do you want me to start?
Whenever you're ready.
Turn the cabinet the other way on purpose to avoid feedback.
All right. Let's see, we're starting with, here we go. Yep.
I got the amp.
Sounds great.
And a little bit of the room and acoustic mic.
All right.
Yeah.
I like it.
I like it. Let's see.
Can we get a...
Let's cut this.
Yeah, let's play a little bit because I need to adjust
Yeah.
my mix on this too.
And close that door if you go.
Yep.
Hey Gary, Gary, can you close that door behind you?
Small bags.
Kid, what... On guitar here, it's not adjusting your guitar. Can you play for a moment so I can figure out where you're at? Oh, there we go. Yeah, the mix was up high. I got it. I got it. All right. Mike, can you play bass a little bit?
Yes.
All right, thank you. Play just from the top a little bit so you get the sense of the feel. That might work just fine. It starts with a 1, 2. Okay, there's a solo in this. Do you want to solo now or stay on rhythm guitar and solo later? Yeah. All right. Okay, so I've got my pickup here. We got breaks on the 4 and a break on the 1, bars 10 and 11. Let's just try the first chorus and see how the groove feels. 1, 2.
break there.
Yeah. Let's go from the 5. 1, 2, then. Break. Break.
I got it. I felt it and I didn't do it.
That's it. Yep. Try it once. 2, 3. Well, let me go from the 5. I'm sorry. 2, 3 from the 5. Try
Got
again.
it. Right.
2, 3. Good, that's it. For the guitar solo, we're going to do a break on the downbeat of bar 12. That's it. Now after your guitar solo, we have 2 choruses of just kind of working the groove. I'm kind of soloing, I'm in between accompaniment and soloing. I'd like you to do the same. So the last 2 choruses, just kind of feel the groove, feel free to, No, we're going to play through the 12 bar, but we're going to do a break on the downbeat of bar 12, kind of a false ending idea. Let's go to the last 24. So we just finished your guitar solo. Maybe you go from the 5. I'd like you to play a lot more active, Jim. So that's another reason why I was thinking maybe doing an overdub for the guitar solo. But we don't have to. Just I want you to play more active during this part. Yeah. Last 2 choruses, we're just hitting the groove. Let's do the last 2 choruses. 1, 2, 3. Break. That'll be our end. Are we good to go?